What if I heal? Did I become addicted to the wound? How will I write if the bleeding stops? What if I, and I alone, stopped the wound from becoming a scar? Scars are the silent remains. Wounds are endless fountains of misery to be told. What if I heal and the fountains dry? I wish I could be the one who finds console in an obsessively clean toilet and the murmur of the wind. I feed the abyss with breadcrumbs, as old people feed pigeons in a park. What if I heal, and silence is the only thing left?